Most people aren't broke because they don't make enough money. They're broke because they're stuck in habits that sabotage every dollar they touch. And the worst part is they don't even realize it's happening. So today I'm breaking down 10 of the most common bad money habits that silently drain your wealth. And more importantly, I'll show you exactly how to fix them so you can finally break free and start building real wealth. Number 1, living without a budget. If you don't know where your money is going, it's probably going to the wrong places. Most people just spend and hope everything works out, but that's not a real plan. It's a setup to stay broke. The fix is to start using a simple budget. You can follow the 50-30-20 rule where 50% of your income goes to needs, 30% goes to wants, and the remaining 20% is set aside for saving and investing. There's no need to overcomplicate it. Just write it down or track it in a way that works for you. Once you start telling your money where to go, it finally starts working for you instead of disappearing. Number 2, lifestyle creep. When you get a raise at work, it's easy to start buying nicer clothes, eating out more often, and upgrading your phone. While it feels good to reward yourself, this is the trap that keeps people stuck in the same financial place. The fix is simple but powerful. Keep your lifestyle the same, even when your income goes up. Instead of spending that extra money, put it into savings or investments. The goal isn't to look rich. The goal is to be rich, and true wealth is built by making those smart decisions consistently. Number 3, relying on credit for everyday purchases. Swiping your credit card at the grocery store might seem normal, but if you're not paying it off in full, it's a trap. You're essentially spending money you don't have, and the interest is slowly eating away at your future. The fix is straightforward. Use debit cards or cash for your daily spending, and only use credit if you can pay it off immediately. If you can't pay it off right away, that's a clear sign that you need to scale back your spending and make smarter financial choices. Number 4, not paying yourself first. Most people pay their bills first, buy things second, and if there's anything left, they might save. But that's completely backwards, and it's the reason many people stay broke no matter how much money they make. The fix is effective. As soon as your paycheck hits, put aside money for savings and investments before anything else. Even if it's just a small portion, paying yourself first is key. It builds financial discipline and helps grow your wealth over time. Number 5, impulse spending. You go into a store for one item and somehow end up walking out with a cart full of stuff. You see something online and impulsively hit buy now without a second thought. This type of impulse spending may feel good in the moment, but over time, it slowly drains your finances. The fix is simple. Use the 24-hour rule. If you want to buy something, wait a full day before making the purchase. Ask yourself, do I really need this, or is it just something I want right now? Most of the time, you'll realize that you don't actually need it. Number 6, not investing early enough. Too many people have the mindset of thinking, I'll start investing later when I make more money. The problem with this approach is that by waiting, you're missing out on the one thing that can grow your money the most, which is time. The solution is simple. Start investing now, even if it's just a small amount. There are plenty of easy-to-use platforms where you can begin investing with minimal effort. Putting aside even $50 a month can grow into thousands of dollars over time simply by letting it build up. You don't need to be rich to start investing, but you'll never get rich if you don't take that step to invest now. Number 7, keeping up with the Joneses. You see your friend driving a shiny new car, and suddenly you feel like you're falling behind. That pressure to keep up leads you to make decisions based on comparison rather than your own financial reality. So you go ahead and finance a car of your own, even though it's something you can't really afford. This mindset isn't about winning or truly building wealth. It's about chasing someone else's highlight reel and putting yourself in a worse financial position. The solution is clear. Focus on your own goals, create a plan that works for you, and be patient. Delay gratification, and remember that most of the people you're trying to impress are likely in debt themselves. Let them pretend to have it all figured out while you stay focused on building your own financial future, brick by brick. Stay committed to your goals, and you'll build real wealth over time. Number 8, ignoring financial education. School never taught us how to properly manage money. And if you're not actively learning about it now, when will you ever make the time? You can't expect to move forward financially if you ignore one of the most essential skills in life, which is financial education. The reality is, financial financial literacy isn't just a luxury or an afterthought, it's the foundation of building wealth and achieving long-term success. The good news is that it's never too late to start learning. You don't have to be an expert right away, but you can begin by reading books on personal finance that cover the basics and beyond. You can also watch videos from creators who have proven their knowledge and live by the financial principles they teach. Follow people who explain money in a way that makes sense to you and stay consistent in your learning journey. The more committed you are to learning, the quicker you'll be able to apply what you've learned, which will accelerate your financial growth and decision making. Number 9, thinking small. Many people limit themselves by focusing only on saving money while never considering the opportunities available to increase their income. They get caught in the cycle of avoiding risks, sticking to what's familiar, and hesitating to try new things. Instead of aiming for growth, they settle for merely getting by, which ultimately prevents them from reaching their full financial potential. The real breakthrough happens when you shift your mindset and begin thinking bigger. Start by learning high-income skills such as sales, coding, or content creation, which can unlock new ways to earn. Another great option is to start a side hustle that solves a specific problem and adds value to others' lives. When you start focusing on the return on investment for everything you do, you'll begin to see opportunities for growth, and money will start flowing your way as you solve problems and take consistent, meaningful action. Number 10, not having a financial plan. If you're simply going through life without a well-thought-out strategy for your money, you're setting yourself up to stay in the same place, stuck and stagnant. Relying on hope and wishful thinking won't get you anywhere near financial success. Without a clear, actionable plan, building real wealth becomes nearly impossible, no matter how much money you make. The solution lies in taking the time to sit down and set specific, measurable goals for your finances. Take a moment to ask yourself where you want to be in 1 year, 5 years, and even 10 years. Once you have those goals clearly defined, build a strategy that aligns with them and make sure you're consistently tracking your progress. Wealth isn't something that magically happens by accident. It's cultivated when you become intentional, take purposeful action, and consistently stay on course with your financial objectives. Wealth isn't built by accident, it's built by behavior. The habits that keep people broke aren't flashy or obvious. They're small, sneaky, and easy to ignore. But now that you've seen them, you have the power to change them. If you're serious about getting rich, you need to watch the video that just popped up on your screen. In that one, I break down the 9 biggest lies you've been sold about getting rich. And once you see them, you'll finally understand how the game really works and how to start winning.